Hey folks, how y'all doing? Old man and in the land of grills. Yeah, we're gonna cook on, we haven't cooked on the Weber One Touch Premium in a long time. And this is a very unique grill. This has been on the market not quite a year yet. And it was first Weber One Touch that's got, you're looking at it right there. It's got a hinge on it, a stainless steel hinge on it. And yeah, look at that, it looks, and it's got this diffuser, stainless steel double layer diffuser plate with a charcoal ring on the bottom of it. And you know, a lot of people got a lot of interested in this. I've had a lot of questions on that. I made my own because Weber only sells this diffuser plate with the charcoal basket with the Weber One Touch Premium. You can get it as an accessory. So Tom Horseman at YouTube, I'm gonna show you how to make one. And I've done that. That's almost a year old too. But today we're gonna cook on this grill. We're gonna do a bacon wrapped ham, double smoked. It's already smoked, so double smoked today, indirect. And we'll show you the setup, and we'll show you those. We'll show you that ham. All right, for all those of you who are saying, hey, wait a minute, what's with the side shelf there? Well, I did that also. So that is a side shelf that's been permanently mounted on there. So I did have to drill holes. Got a video that shows how to do that. But I got that from my good friends over at S&S Grills. And I said, hey, would you just, I think there's, I'd love to. And they said, yeah, okay. So they sent it over to me. So we've also put in a probe port right there. And there's also what I'm calling a smoke hole, which is right there. And you can put a thermostatically controlled blower right in there. And Tom Horseman at YouTube, if you want to see how to do that. If you're interested, leave something in the comments and I'll send you the link to that video. But let's take a look at the setup. All right, there's the setup with that charcoal ring. You got to be careful. You can't really fill it to the top because of the plate is actually depressed a little bit. So, like I said, I made a homemade version of this, and I'll leave the link down below because everybody's always dying to find out, hey, how did you do that? So we're going to get this going. I'm just going to use a torch to get this going. I'm going to start it in the middle and let it burn out. Like I said, we're just indirect cooking. We're going to get the bacon done on that ham. So I'm going to get this fired up, and you will take a look at that bacon wrapped ham. I don't know if you can find these in whatever part of the country you're in, but this Kentucky Legend Sweet Honey Smoked Ham, gluten-free, is good stuff. This is a 4-pounder. Like I said, we're gonna wrap it in bacon. All right, that's what a bacon weave looks like. Folks, it's super simple to do. I've got 6 going this way, 7 going this way, just shy of a pound of bacon. Like I said, if I can do it, so can you. Let's get the ham on there. You don't even want to add a little seasoning? Add it to your bacon. And that's what I'm going to wrap it in. So I've got this Burn Pit Barbecue, veteran-owned business. This is their sweet heat, folks. www.burnpitbarbecue.com. Check them out. All right, so I've never done this. So I got the ham sitting kind of like this. And that's the beauty of the saran wrap, is that I can use it to pull the bacon weave up. I've got my frog mat right here. That's what the ham is going to sit on. I got to spray that with a little bit of Pam first. Yeah, so it doesn't stick real bad. And then we'll get this wrapping. Hang on. All right, let's give this a whirl. So we're gonna pick this up and just go like that. And now I don't know what to do. Okay, so we're gonna, once again, good thing for the saran wrap, and then we're just gonna plop it down on our frog mat like that. And then we're gonna wanna pull out our saran wrap. We obviously don't want to cook our saran wrap. And get it from the other side too. Just like that. And then we're just gonna tuck our bacon back underneath. Make it look all nice and pretty. Presentation's everything. Yeah, you're hearing that from me. Oh boy. And then we're just gonna keep going here. So I think that looks pretty decent. Get this one tucked back in. All right, it's a bacon wrapped ham. I'm gonna put a little bit more of this Burn Pit Barbecue on there, and then on the grill we'll go. All right, so smoke's rolling on the Weber there. Let's take a quick look. Vent on the top wide open, vent on the bottom. is also wide open. I'm gonna get it up to temp here, and then we'll probably throttle down that bottom to half. Remember, that ham is fully cooked, so we just want to get that obviously warmed up, and it's all about the bacon. And there you can see it right there, looking mighty nice. Now you could even go one step further. If you wanted to put a glaze on top of that bacon, you most certainly could, but you're gonna let it get cooked first and then glaze it toward the end. So I'm thinking about 2.5 to 3 hours for this 4-pounder, maybe even a little less. We'll give you a couple look-sees as we proceed. All right, folks, 1 hour in, you can see dome temp says it's 275, it's probably a little less down below. Got the top vent about half, and I've taken the bottom vent to the smoke setting. So let's take a quick look here. Oh yeah, we're getting some nice color already on that bacon. Oh man. Give you another look-see or two. All right, folks, coming up on 2 hours, let's take a quick look. We'll take an internal temp too while we're here. Oh man, I'll tell you, isn't that beautiful? Let's see what we're doing for temp. Getting there. So we're looking for about 130. And you can see we're almost, I'm in the middle there, and we're almost 120. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go a little bit longer, get her up to that 130. I'm gonna do a glaze on that bacon. Yeah, you're saying glaze on bacon? Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, but that's what we're gonna do. All right, this is what we're gonna use for our glaze. This is again from Burn Pit Barbecue, folks. Have you checked them out? www.burnpitbarbecue.com. Veteran-owned company. Pogie Bait. This is their sweet honey barbecue sauce, and this will do very nice. So we're just gonna put a dab, a little bit more than a dab, on top of our bacon, just like that. And then we're gonna, sorry about that. Then we're just gonna take and now, obviously, the sugars in these are you gotta be very careful because these could burn. So we're just gonna do this for once or twice, and just careful that we don't get it too warm in here to burn. And I'll tell you what, that's picture perfect right there. Can't wait. I'll show you once it's plated up, folks. Man, it's gonna be good. All right, folks, it is time. Let's slice it open. Oh man, it doesn't matter what time of the year it is, but bacon glazed, double smoked ham. You can't go wrong with that. Look at that. Who's gonna say no to that? You know, no one's gonna say, I don't like that. Well, I wouldn't. I would say good. More for me. Look at that. We got the ham on there. We got the bacon on there. Oh man, I'll tell you what. Let's just take just a little slice out of a corner, because I know you all want to see me eat it. Not see me eat it, but hear me eat it. You can see the bacon. Look at that. Take a little taste test here. Oh yeah. That's very nice. Very nice. Folks, that was super simple to do. Remember, if I can do it, so can you. Tom Horseman of YouTube. Hope this was helpful. Thumbs up, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, Tom Horseman of YouTube. And as always, I appreciate you watching. Thank you.